People's Democratic Party, a house divided against itself as members dem dey clash for caucus meeting for Abuja. Welcome country people to Synod Media. Abeg, if you never subscribe to our channel, make you do so now. Make you put on your notification bell. E go ring once we drop updates. Make you like, comment, and share our videos. Some members of the opposition People's Democratic Party, PDP, were engaged for heated physical altercation during the party expanded caucus meeting on Monday, when they hold for the national headquarters for Abuja. The incident occurred at about 3:30 p.m. inside the National Executive Committee NEC Hall. Although the identities of those wey dey involved for the altercation dey no fit immediately confirm am, the disagreement dey about the legitimacy of the meeting and the presence of certain officials wey loyal to rival factions. The party director of publicity, Chinwe Nnorom, dey see am when e dey confront some of the individuals when he engage in fisticuffs, come dey question their presence for inside the hall. Na there security personnel come intervene for the altercation to restore order. Despite the effort of security operatives dem and protocol officers, the situation come dey grow more chaotic. Two individuals dey force dem, carry dem comot from the meeting venue after protocol officers insist say dem no dey accredited to attend that meeting. And the process to remove dem, one glass door for the office come break. That situation come add to the tense atmosphere. Shortly after the incident, some stakeholders of the party, including the chairman of the PDP Governors Forum, Governor Bala Mohammed of Bauchi State, Governors Ahmadu Fintiri of Adamawa, Dauda Lawal of Zamfara, Seyi Makinde of Oyo, and Caleb Mutfwang of Plateau come arrive for the hall for the meeting. Acting National Chairman of the PDP, Umar Damagum, a former Senate President Bukola Saraki, Senate Minority Leader Abba Moro, and Bayelsa West Senator Siriake Dixon come also arrive. Members of the House of Representatives and state chairpersons of the PDP also dey for the meeting. Mr. Damagum, he come disclose for press conference last Wednesday, say rather than hold the National Executive Committee earlier when they scheduled for today, 30th June, the party go get an expanded national caucus meeting. However, about 12 members of the National Working Committee NWC and the party Board of Trustees BOT, they kick against the move. With this internal wrangling for the People's Democratic Party, na indication say if the objective of the ruling APC na to make sure say they not get any strong opposition allegedly for the 2027 election, then apparently they win for that regard. The admittance of Senator Samuel Anyanwu na one big bone for the neck of the People's Democratic Party. Some of the governors, BOT members, and also National Working Committee members, dey against the return of Anyanwu to the PDP secretariat. Even at a point, the acting chairman, Damago, e dey against am. But after their meeting with the INEC chairman, na there dem come say na painful decision, but na decision wey dem go take. Dem come say na Anyanwu na be the national secretary, because the party bin don send letter to INEC to inform INEC of their 100th NEC meeting today. But INEC tell them say the letter no be the proper letter, because the national secretary wey the Supreme Court recognize, e no put im signature. Some of them dey kick say na internal party matter, e no concern INEC. But others, they see the wisdom to meet INEC and to clarify the issue where INEC clarify. Now make acting chairman Damagun say Samuel Anyanwu, he don return back. But this will not go down well with some key members for the National Executive Council or Committee and also the National Working Committee. They will say lie. Anyanwu no go come back, and also the next meeting go hold. Now this scheduled meeting for today, while Damagun they say they go do an expanded meeting, the other group they say they go do the next meeting. The tori when he enter now say police is scatter the group because he not allow them hold that meeting, but they can't relocate the venue of the meeting to another place. Now later we go hear the outcome of the meeting when they hold, and also the expanded meeting when Damagun and the others so. And you go see clearly now say the PDP now a house divided against itself. And of course, like the scripture tell us, any house when they fight itself, that house no go fit stand. PDP, unless they retrace their step, and they need to do them very fast to agree on the way forward. Otherwise, 2027 go come, they go. They not go know what happen to the party. Many of them, they believe say once they feel remove the hand of Wike and Anyanwu from the PDP go pick up. But the challenge here now, how they go fit remove Anyanwu as against the court judgment. Now that won't be the bane of the matter. And that's why one group, they say Anyanwu now the proverbial necessary devil when they need to stay with. But the other group, they say no, and Anyanwu will not get any part for PDP again. How they go to solve this matter? And time not dey their side. Country people, una siam.